In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore app templates in Base44. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can quickly find ready-made starting points for your own apps. Let's start from inside your Base44 workspace. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you want to do is look for the community section. This is usually located in the main navigation area, either on the left-hand side or along the top, depending on how your layout is configured. The community area is where Base44 groups together shared resources, best practices, and pre-built content, so it's the natural place to go when you're looking for templates and inspiration. Go ahead and click on Community. When you open this section, you'll be taken to a page that highlights what's available from the broader Base44 ecosystem. Think of it as a hub where you can see what other teams and creators have made, and where you can access tools that help you get up and running faster. If this is your first time here, take a moment to let the page fully load so all the options become visible. Within the community view, you'll see different categories or tabs. The one we're interested in is labeled App Templates. This is where Base44 organizes pre-configured app setups that you can explore and often use as a foundation for your own projects. These templates can save you a lot of time, especially if you're not sure how to structure an app from scratch. Now, move your cursor to the App Templates option and click on it. Once you do that, the interface will switch to show you a gallery or list of available templates. Each template typically comes with a name, a short description, and sometimes a preview, so you can quickly understand what it's designed for before you open it. From here, you can start browsing through the templates that best match your use case. Even though this video focuses on getting you to the app templates section, it's a good idea to skim through the different categories or tags you see. This will help you get a feel for what's available, whether you're building internal tools, dashboards, or more specialized apps. That's all there is to it. By clicking on Community and then selecting App Templates, you've reached the central place in Base44 where you can explore and leverage pre-built app configurations to jumpstart your work.